0512, June 28, 2026. Right now marks 2,566 hours of progress on the global heart simulation. After further testing, it would appear that using the default volumetric fog of the program for a sort of fog of war masking effect does not seem to be reliable, as the fog itself is influenced by the camera's orientation. So as seen here, although the fog is set to occlude or unveil itself at a certain range, the camera itself manipulates that. So it doesn't actually appear that this sort of default volumetric fog would be useful for the effect. So other than that, it would appear that the actual voxel system is working to some degree, as there's two grids, a larger grid and then the grid that is local to every voxel, and it would appear that the voxels are tagging appropriate cells within the larger grid, although there does appear to be some sort of issue in which for every single voxel it appears that one of the sides of the corners is skipped, so that's something that needs to be looked at, whether that is an issue in the code or with how the gizmos are being drawn. Although it does appear to be masking everything in certain cases, so the intention going forward is to look into a different way of doing fog of war, since the white fog doesn't seem to be very useful. The intention is to perhaps look into using a full screen shader and just learning how to change the colors of pixels if they lie within a bounding box, and then sort of repurpose that logic to work with the voxel system.